Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek. Today we're going to go through how to optimize your campaigns with device bids, right? So we're going to show you how to assess what kind of traffic is sending you the highest amount of conversions and best cost per lead, and use the device bidding levers to dial in that traffic to increase your conversion rates and lower your cost per lead. So a very quick video today. It's only going to be like a minute long. I just want to throw this together real quick. If you don't know who we are, subscribe to our channel. We drop all kinds of Google Ads trainings and case studies every single day, multiple videos a day to learn from. And if you are this guy's a cash for junk car guy, if you are a cash for junk car business, we can clone what you're about to see. Everything you see is a template. We can clone this, swap your information in, and roll out to your location and turn on a lead generation system with Google Ads for your business as well. All right, so with that said, guys, this isn't a full case study video, so I'm not going to get into it too much. I think this guy's only been running for like 14 days. Yeah, July 28th. So he's gotten a healthy amount of data, 35 leads, cost per lead $47 for cash for car, 33% conversion rate, which is great. Cost per lead is a little high, but it's a new campaign and the scrap prices are all over the place, so I'm not surprised by that. So we got to get that down though, closer to like 33, which we will do with a full 30 days running. So if we go into your campaign, you'll come down over here to devices. You'll see here you have three options, right? Computers, which is desktop, laptop computers, mobile phones, obviously cell phone traffic, and tablet. So tablet, for at least this niche, I usually just turn off. So I come down here, decrease 100%. We don't even want to show our ads on tablets because the traffic's so low and they just don't generally historically convert anyway, or if they do, it's too high. So we'll turn that off and focus only on what's sending us the most leads, which is mobile phones. You'll see here over the first 14 days, $38 leads for a 50% conversion rate. So I'm actually not going to increase that because I don't want that cost per conversion I want to keep that where it is, and we'll dial that in after we drop this. So you can see here desktop computer traffic got crushed, $328 lead. So obviously this is not converting. We're going to totally turn that off as well, and we're going to focus only on mobile traffic that's sending all the leads and has the most affordable cost per lead. So just by making this simple change of turning off this traffic source, we're saving $328, right, in 14 days. And we're dropping their cost per lead big time. So it will come down from, let's say we've got rid of this and we did nothing else, the cost per lead is going to come down from 47 to 38 just by making this one adjustment. That's how powerful device bidding can be. And then we go into advanced bid adjustments here. You can do call-based stuff. So 8 interactions, which are clicks, 6 leads, $42 leads. So that's still a little out of our range. What I would do here, I do like the volume, but I need that lead cost to go down, so I'm going to drop that by 5% as well. And we'll see where that shakes out next week, and see if we can get that CPL closer to 30 bucks. So like I said, quick video. That's all I want to show you guys. And this is just something you can use, keep in your toolkit when you're optimizing campaigns, that you can do a lot of changes with just doing these 2 device bidding adjustments. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. See you later.